Okay, here's the secret of building a strong budget all motor H. Mine's turbo now, but I'll tell you what to do. What you're gonna do is find a 50mm H23 A1 bottom or H22 A1 bottom, because they're closed deck. And then you can get some dart and repair sleeves, get the machine shop to put them in, and use a 95mm stroke crank. Get some H22 forged rods. I use Eagle. Get some K20 top S pistons. You can get them in 87mm or up bore. I got 87.5mm. And that'll all equal up to, you're using a 95mm stroke crank. You're using 90.7mm stroke H22 rods. And then you're using the K20 top S pistons. You can use the K20 top R pistons as well for a little extra compression. But with the top S pistons, it'll be 12.5-to-1 compression. And that's basically a recipe for 250 plus wheel horsepower, depending on what cams you use and fuel. I probably could have made 280 close to 300 wheel horsepower if I would have switched to E85 when it was all motor. But that's basically about it. If you're gonna do anything with the H that has the FRM sleeves, you're gonna need to sleeve it, because the FRM's junk and the piston options ain't there for FRM. Basically, you'd have to go with Molly Golds. And that's about it. So, sleeved H23A1 or H22A1 bottom, 95mm stroke crank, H22 rods with K20 pistons. And that'll equal 12.5-to-1 compression. And you can make power easily with that. 250 to 300 wheel horsepower, depending on how high you spin it. And that's about it for all motor H.